Hello guys, this is Yogesh Ramani. Welcome to Woodbell Interior Design Company. Today we are here to take you on virtual tour of this beautiful flat which is owned by Mr. Sandeep and Mrs. Likita. So let's have a look of this beautiful flat. In the entrance of this house, we have here beautiful statue of Gautam Buddha which gives us peace. In this foyer area, we have two combination of veneers. One is rosewood veneers, another one is pinewood veneer, which is having PU glossy finish. Here we have handleless Gola profile to open the door. So door doesn't have any kind of handles. We have small groove here to pull the doors. Above Buddha statue, our designer has implemented a beautiful ledge above fire cabinet which is made with rosewood veneer, PU glossy finish and inbuilt spotlight. In this foyer room, we have beautiful sitting area which is having granite countertop. In this foyer room, we have beautiful false ceiling which is made with CNC design and acrylic glass. In this foyer room, we have beautiful washable wallpaper with 3D look. Outside of the flat, we have shoe rack which is having different mechanism for keeping shoes. In this entertainment unit, we concealed all electrical wiring within wall paneling. Behind wall paneling, there is LED strip light. Entertainment unit is having base cabinet with provision for home theater and DTH box. There is no wire lying around it. In this entertainment base cabinet, we don't have any kind of handles for shutters. So we have here one option. If we push the door will open like this. In entertainment unit wall ledge, we are having spotlight of warm color. In living room, we have beautiful partition which is made with veneer border and CNC design with PU matte finish. Below partition, we have a small cabinet for storage. Let's enter into master bedroom. In this master bedroom, we have 3-door sliding wardrobe which is combination of champagne and teak laminate color. This sliding wardrobe consists a teak top line 22 sliding wardrobe mechanism, and here we have aluminum profile handles for opening and closing of the sliding door. Above sliding wardrobe, we have loft for keeping unwanted things, and we have handleless push to open mechanism for opening the door of loft. Dressing table which is having push to open mechanism. In this drawer cabinet, we have Gola profile and we have small groove to pull the drawers. Behind this mirror, we have storage for keeping beauty products and perfumes. False ceiling of this master bedroom is having creative design with LED strip light of red and warm color. In this master bedroom, we have king size bed On right hand side of the bed we have side table, and left hand side of the bed we have study table. In this king size bed we have two huge drawers for storage unwanted things, and half storage of the bed is accessible from top side. Let's enter into parents' bedroom. In this parent bedroom, we have 5-door swing wardrobe and dressing table in middle. This shutter is made with two combination of laminates. One is off-white laminate and one is textured laminate. Behind this dressing table, we have storage for keeping beauty products. In this parent bedroom, Mr. Sandeep's requirement was to have here this type of open cabinet for putting photo frames and artifacts. Parent bedroom is having very beautiful space which is bay window for sitting. In parent bedroom, behind bed, we have traditional type of wallpaper. We have queen size bed with laminated headboard. As kids love cartoons, Mr. Sandeep's requirement was to have such a kind of themes, so our designer was implemented those themes into kids' bedroom. So let's have a look of this kids' bedroom with unique themes. In this kids' bedroom, we have swing door wardrobe which is having 4 doors with beautiful sticker, handleless loft and 2 drawer below. In this kids bedroom wall, we have digital wallpaper which is informative for kids. In this kids bedroom corner, we have study table here which is having unique type of designs for handles. 1 door with 1 drawer, and here we have big drawer for storage, for storing books, pads, and this is wall cabinet for putting books. In this kids bedroom we have queen size bed, and Mr. Sandeep's requirement has to have here some space for keeping toys and cars. In these kids beds we have 1 drawer storage inside table and open space for keeping small items. Here we have 1 drawer. As per Vastu, Mr. Sandeep's requirement was to have puja room in this corner, so our designer has implemented this empty space into beautiful puja room. In this puja room, door is made with laminate and CNC design which is having PU matte finish. Puja room contains this beautiful handle to lock the puja room which is having symbol of Ganesha. Here we have 2 antique handles for opening the doors. Red color countertop, and we have 1 small drawer for keeping agarbattis, dhupas. We have 2 drawers and 2 doors for storage. On puja room wall we have beautiful designer tiles, and above it we have wooden false ceiling with pyramid. In this dining room, we have this crockery cabinet which is made with glass shutter with aluminum border, which is having inbuilt handle inside it. We have here small storage. To open the storage, we have push to open mechanism. In this dining room, our client expectation was to have breakfast counter in the entrance of the kitchen. This breakfast counter is made with cords which is heat and scratch resistant. Kitchen entrance paneling is made with veneer and spotlight of warm color. In this kitchen we have two combination of acrylic laminate. One is grey and another one is white. Here we have tall unit. We have space here to keep microwave oven and another electrical appliances. Here we have wicker basket to keep onions, potatoes. This is L-shaped corner with individual opening of shutters. So here our clients get more space for keeping grain jars. This is 2-tier bottle pull-out for keeping oil bottles and small spice bottles. In this kitchen we have 5 tandem boxes for storage. First tandem box consists kitchen cutlery. We can adjust here space of kitchen cutlery. Middle drawer is having anti-skid mat. It will prevent utensils from skidding. In third tandem box, we have stand for keeping plates, and these 2 big tandem box for keeping utensils. Below wall cabinet we have spotlight which is warm white color. In this wall cabinet we have aluminum glass shutter with frosted glass, and here we have Blum high kick lift up mechanism for lifting the door. Top aluminum glass shutter don't have any handle, so here we have tip-on mechanism for opening the doors. This kitchen countertop is made with cords, and here we have under-sink RO equipment. So why Woodbell, you ask? Woodbell is one-stop solution for all your interior needs, where you will get end-to-end solution in one go. So whatever interior design you seen in this video is made in Woodbell Interior Design Factory, which is located in Whitefield, Bangalore. Due to this, we can able to complete project within a short time with better finish. So this 3 BHK property is located in Durgapetal near Bagmani Tech Park.
Hello everyone, hi, this is Sandeep and here is my wife Likita and my little prince Virat. Yeah, welcome to my dream home. Yeah, before coming to Woodbell, we have searched for many interior companies where we didn't get that sparkle such that this team will do the interior for my home. The sparkle I got it here at Woodbell. So we look forward, we discussed with my parents and my wife and continued. So this is the right place where we can give our home for the interior works. So we started with Woodbell, and yeah, it was very much, I can very much appreciate how the Woodbell received us and how they shared their plans and heard our plans. They combined and created one full our dream home. I really appreciate that Woodbell team has lot of skilled workers, and they listen to our concerns and they solve it very well, and they have done a lot of quality work, and the finishing what we have, I am able to see is very much high rated.
And Woodbell industry have their own manufacturing industry and studio as well, so that complete picture of my dream house we were able to get implemented at design phase itself. So I would recommend each of my friends to refer to Woodbell for hassle-free services. So I would like to thank Yogesh and the entire working team who worked towards us for satisfying our needs within a very short period of time and making our dream home come true.
Hope you guys like this video. So don't forget to press subscribe button to have more updates from us.